Best piece yet.
Alright guys, you can see the cutouts already on the sides of the highway. Primo, look at that, more cutout. I love limestone. Boy, boy, boy. Oh. Straight ahead here is the big cutout over there. And there was already people on the side of the highway grabbing the rocks, I'm assuming for landscaping. There's more people here.
This is the famous Harrodsburg cutout area. I have been on mindat.org and I have seen several different crystal varieties. Hopefully I'll find something different today. I think I saw, oh, what was it? It looked like needles or something. Some bizarre needles. I don't know, we'll find out. We'll find out when we get down there. There's one here. Good sign. What is that? It's some like iron or something. Some mineral. Some brown iron-like material. It's a nice little creek. See if we can find a geode and crack it open and see if we've got anything new. I'm liking the spot so far because it's away from most everybody. Shell Sydney. Doesn't look too awful different from most places, but first I'm gonna have to do some looking, so. Not too amazing quite yet. Down there is some rocky shore and some mud you can almost get stuck in, and I think there's the big geode right here actually. Real big one actually. Oh wow. Really? Interesting. This one doesn't feel too awful heavy either. Huh. This one looks different. Give it a whack. After this, I'm gonna keep searching over here and maybe try and go down a little bit, maybe around the trees there, but first things first, see if this is any good. It's probably solid. Oh well, that's probably more anyway. So different minerals, that's for sure, but there aren't any substantial collections of rocks around here, so I'm gonna go try another spot. Sucks. Look at that. Boy, how I'd like to get down there. Shoot. Walking. It's pretty deep. Gosh. That would be awesome to get down there because it's a giant freaking rocky shore. Guess I could come down there. Let's try it. That looks doable. See what happens. The sort of trail. There we go. Bit of a trek, but it's doable. Oh, yeah. Look at that cutout. It's like some Turkey Run stuff here. I don't know. Is this what I think it is? Yeah, it's just a plain old rock, but still, it's a gorgeous area. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm not gonna go too far. It's not too much big stuff, it's just a bunch of river rock and get small ones every now and then, but I'm hoping to find some more of the sandstone variety that I had at the last place that's got more of the tan sand look, but I don't know. So I'm seeing if I can find a place to cross too. I could get over there safely. Oh, this part's definitely more crossable. Let's see what this wall is all about. Just gotta take it slow, that's all. There we go, that's what I'm wanting. Oh, wow. Ah, it's cool. I don't see any embedded geodes, so it might be in the wrong elevation of exposure-fication. But you never know. This looks like it's almost aerated here. Interesting. Your interesting nature. Watch these. At the geode. Flat to geode. We'll have some fun here. Calcite. Dogtooth calcite, really? Some dogtooth calcite growing in there. That's pretty neat. Not gonna take it though. Oh well, I'll keep looking. Maybe I'll find some other dogtooth calcite that's not as grown. Whew. I just dug this behemoth out. Walked all the way down and back, didn't really find anything, and then I saw this. Let's see if we got anything. I bet it's solid, but you never know. You just never know. There we go. Oh, what? Oh, it's solid. Look, oh my God, I'm keeping that. Oh, it's so cool. It's just one piece of calcite, one dogtooth calcite. The other part I don't need. That's worth it. That's cool. All right, I'm done for the day. Wow. Best piece yet. Go out in the sunlight. Get a better shot. But look. Freaking dogtooth point jutting out. I don't know if it's in focus or not, but that is the new best piece.